Hello guys, in this video we will going to discuss about the Imraldi injection. What is the use of Imraldi injection, its doses, side effects and contraindications. So watch the video till the end. So guys, Imraldi injection is made by a Biogens and it's the brand name of Biogens company. Imraldi injection contains adalimumab in the strength of 40 mg and it's a pre-filled pen of adalimumab which inject subcutaneously, and the price of Imraldi injection varies from country to country.
Now let us see the use of this injection. So guys, adalimumab is a monoclonal antibody which is used for treating the autoimmune disease such as rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, plaque psoriasis, hidradenitis suppurativa, uveitis and juvenile idiopathic arthritis. These are the diseases in which adalimumab is used for treatment. Now, what is the mechanism of action of adalimumab? So guys, adalimumab specifically targets and blocks TNF-alpha, which contribute to the inflammation that causes the abscesses, inflammatory nodules and draining fistulas in HS. So guys, what is the dose of adalimumab injection? The dose of adalimumab injection is depend on the medical condition of patient and disease. This injection is given subcutaneously in a thigh, stomach, shoulder or other subcutaneous route, and the recommended dose of adalimumab for adult patient with rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis or ankylosing spondylitis is 40 mg, administered at every other week. Now, what is the side effect of adalimumab? The side effect of adalimumab is pain, swelling, redness or itchy skin where your injection was given, mild nose, throat or sinus infection, headache, stomach pain, feeling for being sick muscles or bone pain. These are the common side effects of adalimumab. If you were notice these side effect or other side effect, so consult with your doctor. The last question is that who should not take adalimumab injection, means what is the contraindication of this injection. So the active miliary or inactive tuberculosis patient, chronic hepatitis B patient, opportunistic fungal infection, pneumonia with a fungus called pneumocystis jirovecii patient, a bad infection and the infection that last a long time and cancer or malignancy. So the patient with these diseases cannot take this injection.
So guys, this is a complete information of Imraldi injection.
In this video, we have discussed about the use, dose, mechanism of action, side effect and contraindication of injection. So guys, if you are watching my video first time, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for further new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.